manufacturing excellence that we are doing at
Hmm.
INDXO. INDXO stands for Industry X.0,
Okay.
and these are the contents which we will be covering in this particular presentation. INDXO AI STORY, they are pioneers in Industry 4.0, manufacturing excellence Industry 4.0, quantifying digital transformation, our products, our playbook, and success stories. So INDXO AI, where we are into cutting edge technologies of AI in industrial processes, which improves the productivity, quality in any organization. So we have been top three industrial IoT companies, uh, and we have got an award by CIO Review magazine in 2020. Our major customers, we have all the OEMs such as Honda, Toyota, Mahindra, Hyundai, Indian Railways, Tata Electronics. So we are predominantly in manufacturing of automobiles, discrete manufacturing precisely, uh, and mobile phone industry, and many other such companies. So we won first prize in the IMTMA, which is Automation Excellence Awards in 2021. Dana Anand, where we had implemented Nissan Lane automation and digitalization. So what are the products which we cover in Industry 4.0? So we provide the entire turnkey solutions right from industrial IoT, networking, server infra, data center we build. Then we build the entire IoT platform, connecting all the machines, the physical layer and the data layers. So IoT platforms, we make we connect smart sensors, analog to digital conversions for certain analog systems. Old legacy systems can be connected. And CNC, PLCs, robots, robo machines, various other systems which are available. Press machines. You have power related utility machines, lifts, cranes. So any machine which is available in the shop floor can be connected in this IoT platform that we have. The entire IoT platform gives us enormous amounts of big data where we aggregate this data and then we process the data, we cleanse the data, and we ensure the ML program runs on top of this data to ensure the relevant information is fetched for production teams, maintenance teams, quality teams, and also the utilities and uh, utility and people skill development. We have human advanced HMI facilities where you will be able to do the traceability of the entire product and genealogy as well. So once you have the complete, for instance, you have a mobile phone and a barcode in your scanning, it has 100 plus parts, say you have 100 BOMs which are part of this. So when you scan, you will get to know which part was manufactured in which machine at what time and who were the bought out parts, BOP from which vendor, sub vendors the part had come. So you will know what is GRN. So you will have entire genealogy of the entire part which has been produced and what time. And if there's any failure in any one particular part, you will be able to track the entire batch and you will be able to fix if there's any inherent problem in the machine or if there is anything in the process level also you can fix the process. So our application also works on mobile and other devices. We work with private, public, and hybrid cloud kind of an environment, depending on the OEM or the customers, uh, whatever security, cyber security systems that they have. If there is a need for a cloud, then we go on public cloud. If they already have a private cloud or a data center, in-house data center, we give on-prem solutions and tailor-made solutions to ensure it fits in all kinds of requirements. The entire product is developed by INDXO in-house in India, and we will be able to ensure that turnkey and custom-made, tailor-made solutions can be given at all levels. for any kind of customer. AR, VR, we have associated with a lot of international institutions in Austria, Germany, and a lot of other companies. So we are coming up with certain solutions which can uh, uh, help us determining the entire industrial IoT processes using AR. These are the four pillars in any manufacturing: production, maintenance, quality, and skill safety security. We have seen OEE predominantly in general terms. Everybody says they're able to fetch OEE, overall equipment efficiency. But however, you will have to exactly understand the intricacies of idle time, downtimes, and what are the reason for downtimes. A lot of such these things have to be calculated, and the exact cycle time has to be determined. So we have a ML program which runs on top of our OE engine, which can do this job to give you exact OE in any production plant. Whether it is machine-wise OE, line-wise OE, or shop-wise OE can be determined. Similarly, energy analysis, tool life management, we have done auto tool offset corrections where you can correct the tool offsets using the program. If you have 1,000 machines, see, we have done implementations for 4,000, 5,000 machines under one roof. It's a humongous amounts of implementation that we have done. And we will be able to fix tool offsets for all 1,000 machines within no time. It'll write into the CNC machine and it'll automatically fix the issue. So check sheets, digitization, inventory analysis, workforce analysis, stack time analysis. These are many such projects that we have done for customers where they had unique problems in these cases. Similarly, maintenance, MTTR, MTTBF, mean time between repair, mean time between failures. We have reduced it to a very great extent by giving uh, the and-on boards in display boards for supervisors, managers at machine shops, wherein they'll be able to quickly identify and also have uh, the entire traceability, and also the inventory is being mapped. So, for instance, there is any shelf life items like lubricant oils, coolants. You will get to know when the coolant may fail and when we have to replace the coolant. I mean, replacement of coolants or oils can it will predict, and you can buy stocks appropriately and reduce inventory costs also. It has been successfully implemented at Lumax Industries and various other manufacturing plants. So you'll be able to determine servo spindle loads, analysis, insulation resistance, battery management. These are certain common failures which will happen in CNC machines that we will be able to predict, and we'll tell you how and when it can be. You can proactively fix these issues. So coming to quality, we have done enormous on quality at mobile phone manufacturing plants and CPK, PPK at shop level, line level, machine level, all this we were able to predict and yield of the plant with respect to the kind of quality machines such as you have Renisha, you have CMM machines, Hexagon, you have OGPs. So a lot of such machines, including anodizing, you will gloss finish, then you can do thickness measurements, fixture, and microscope measurements. A lot of these measurements we have taken the data from various directly from text files, CSV files, or sometimes directly from the machine controllers, PLCs, and we will be able to correlate all this and given a single platform. The entire INDXO playbook can be a single platform for both all these production, maintenance, quality, and skill safety. Everything will come under one umbrella. So this has been a very successful project actually. Then skill safety security. So we also have connected using RFID technology understanding skill of a personnel working on a CNC machine or a robot, the time taken for them to deliver, and this is mapped back to back with the HR software also to ensure that the skill of each personnel is measured. Safety security, like for instance, we have provided machine interlocks. For example, if machine is misbehaving or there's a problem in the machine, you can suddenly stop the machine using our ML program, considering the machine information. So security also, a lot of such we have ensured that the utilities and systems are integrated at every level. So that was implemented across various shop floors. So now we have this slide having the comparison of what is traditional challenges that each of these shop floors face, and what we bring on the table, INDXO AI, and how the results have converted positively for most of the shop floors. So there are unplanned downtimes, unplanned asset downtime, which is a CNC machine may fail, and in the night shift, you will find a lot of deterioration in your production. So people give reasons such as power failures, or there are some issues wherein sometimes supervisors or managers also will not be able to evaluate and understand. So we have the system digital uh, data is available to ensure what kind of downtimes were there and how it can be uh, uh, fixed, and we will be able to ensure that managers are also, there will be transparency, so from the shop floor to the top floor, the entire transparency can be brought. So like this, we have also integrated to SCADA, MES and ERP systems. We have worked with various MES systems, homegrown MES systems at Mahindra, or we have worked with SAP MES systems at Lumax. We have also worked with uh, we build our own MES systems which can uh, easily help uh, integrate with the ERP systems also, whether BOMs, production planning, work orders, all these integrations between SAP or Microsoft Dynamics, any kind of MES and ERP systems that are available, we have integrated, and data exchange we have done. So similarly, training, upskilling, flexibility, see, these are certain things which we have already discussed. Skill gap mapping using our systems where you will be able to measure uh, person's skill of manufacturing, in how much time he takes to manufacture, how many parts, and how it is how his skill can be improved. There are online LMS software program modules also available, which they can measure the skill. So agility, innovation, and visibility. So these are traditional challenges which we have seen, and we have done iterative and innovative flexibility, the process production, correction, awareness programs, standard OEE measurements. So all these things resulted in at least 30 to 40% of plant downtime saving for the plant, 20-50% more efficient using the training methodologies that we use. 60% reduce in installation times of these machines. 90% reduction in manual inspection. A person, if there's a machine failure, a person will be intimated. He has to go to the machine, check what is the failure. Then again, he'll go back, get the spares. There's a lot of movement of material, man material, which the four M's of production, I mean the manufacturing four M's, you will be able to reduce to a very great extent having such digitization in the shop floor. 5 to 8% of productivity improvements we have showed in cases such as Toyota, where the processes are at the best. We were able to prove that they can improve by 5%, 5 to 6% in such production environment as well. So now our product INDXO Playbook, it is divided into six such verticals. INDXO Playbook is a front-end ML programming where it's a web application where it will connect with all kinds of OPC UA for fetching data from machines, and it will automatically integrate, and it can show you analytics on Power BI or Tableau, any kind of dashboards. So that's the entire playbook that we have. Mirax is a single platform where it connects to all kinds of cloud infrastructure, whether it is Azure or AWS. We'll be able to provide data, the process data which will be available on cloud. Valerion, you will be able to connect with all kinds of Bluetooth, RF, and other technologies, switching technologies, communication, all kinds of communication protocols are covered under this village. PM is a power intelligence and asset monitoring, where you will be able to measure, say, transformers. We have done for Bangalore Electricity Board and various other utility systems, where you will be able to fetch data from transformer. You can predict when transformer can fail, what is the fluid, how efficient it is, what are the issues, all that monitoring can happen. Sensor is a sonic analysis where we will be able to predict the metal aspects, abnormalities in a metal by using uh, it's a sonic analysis product that we have developed for casting, forging, a lot of such companies. Stabilize is a vibration analysis, very, very unique and very important, which we have done for Bosch EV R&D labs. You will be able to predict what kind of vibrations are coming and how to. It will also give certain solutions for such vibrations, how to address and continuous monitoring of these machines we have done. So these products, as I said, shop floor to top floor, there will be clear visibility and you will be able to achieve zero downtime in manufacturing shop floor. So our product architecture, INDXO Playbook sits in a very sweet spot where it will be able to communicate with ERP systems, PLM systems, manufacturing operation systems. Down you have production shop floors, all kinds of machines, and it also integrates with HRMS for skill mapping and other aspects. So INDXO Playbook has all these systems which you touched upon. Here you have maintenance, in process, workforce, labor resource, and you have here part programs. You can also save part programs of CNC machines. You can modify part programs remotely. A lot of such facilities are available. So with this is one such case where one of the MNC company, we have saved $1 million by fixing an accident which was happening from the tool and the job, which was in a very random kind of a situation. We would be able to take 2 samples per second, 500 millisecond kind of samples, and exactly determine why the accident had happened and how that can be avoided. This is a very nice use case that we have done. So these are the steps that we follow when any project is given to us. We do Gemba, going to the shop floor, understanding from gate in to gate out the entire process at each of the machine, and understanding from supervisors and every person who is really in charge of that particular machine, and voice of the customer. We build a blueprint, and then we the solution engineering team gets in, giving the right solution for the right problem statement that has been defined. Then we build a digital infrastructure. As I said, we have turnkey solution. We do the entire wiring, building, ensuring that there is no EMF and noise which comes in manufacturing shop floors that doesn't spoil the data. So we are very data centric, and zero data loss is our main motto. So process optimization and automation, we do in-house the MLA programs to predict machine failures and all these processes. We integrate with ERP, and we are also, our main focus is to bring in digital twin in the shop floor. So this is our shop floor integration workflow. Basically, these are the machines which you can see on the right side: turning centers, machine centers, overhead cranes, pneumatic systems, ST plants, chillers, blowers, transformers, robots, silos. So all these things are connected through our network devices. We have all these OPC UA connectors, whether it's a Fanuc system, Siemens, Okuma, Mitsubishi. So name any kinds of systems. It could be text files or any data which is available in digital. Even if it is not available in digital, we make it digital and we get the data using sensors, signal conditioners, and then we have our machine learning program running. All the raw data is converted into the process data and cleansed, and then we give the dashboard, which you can see on the top. One such dashboard of Fanuc system. Success stories, we have Honda, Toyota, Mahindra, the top OEMs of manufacturing who have worked. We have closely worked with them. Very unique problem statements, and we have given value added solutions in Industry 4.0. So we have GE, Jaguar, INDXO AB is a Sweden plant. They manufacture E. coli cancer medicine. It's a biotechnology plant. So here we have automated ghost factory where you will be able to sit at your home and then operate during winters where there's no access to the manufacturing plant. Indian Railways, we have worked with a lot of defense organizations, DRDO, GTRE, ISRO, Tata Electronics, Dana, and Hexagon, Lumax. This is one such case where the entire shop floor, gate into gate out, we have mapped, and then we were able to digitize the entire shop floor. These are our systems where we place signal conditioners, sensors, conversion to analog to digital. And there is kiosk systems where certain places where you need to manually get the data from the end user. You will be able to give them systems where right side is an injection molding machine where we have connected our system and we fetch data. We have also worked with Chinese or systems which are not user friendly in fact getting the data. We have developed our own protocols and then we are able to get the data. These are left side is the silos where you have pellets and you will get to know when it is going below the limit, it will give an alarm. So this is our dashboard where it will give, say for instance, you can see different parameters are available. It could be insulation resistance, water pressure, load, then water temperature, and silo level capacity, how much it is currently running at, and what performance in assembly areas, how the performance is happening, how many stages are available. So all this can be measured. So we have partnered with a lot of our technology partners. With Siemens, we are partnered. Fanuc, we are partnered. We are also partnered with Hexagon, lot of these companies. And with Intel, we are partnered for using their edge devices, and they are manufacturing certain edge devices to match our requirements for industrial shop floors. With Lenovo, we are partnered. SAP. A lot of these companies, we have partnerships. So that's the entire presentation. So any questions here?